Yo, what's up guys? I'm back with another unboxing of the marathon clothing. So I got some more stuff this time in Cyber Monday again. If you see my last video of the unboxing, then shout out to you. If you haven't, it's all good. Welcome. This is gonna be like the second time I've ever actually done an unboxing. So we got 4 items. I got a hoodie, a t-shirt, a hat, and a skateboard. Last time in the other video I got a hoodie, 2 t-shirts, and 2 pairs of socks. So yeah, this time around I did get different sizes, you know, we added a little weight, but also it's just like, in the past one I got something a bit too small and it's a bit too tight. I'd rather I like wearing hoodies when it's a bit looser, so this time I got a large. We'll see how that fits. Yeah, peep this. And this shirt, Nipsey Hussle, Crenshaw. This is one of one, by the way. Made this for myself, just, you know, on Photoshop for fun, and it turned out pretty cool. So yeah, let's go. So here's the first item. We got a hat. It's a Victory Lap hat. As you can see, I like Victory Lap. Shout out to Victory Lap. The album. Damn, okay. It's pretty nice. Got that VL. And on the side it's got the TMC flag. If that focuses, not sure. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Victory Lap tonight though. VL. Was gonna get the t-shirt, but decided not. Yo, so this is the hat. Pretty, oh, that's a nice, the brim is nice. The head shape's pretty nice too. I like this. Probably end up getting like the black version one day. I was tempted to get a Crenshaw hat, but maybe in the future. I really like this VL. Victory Lap tonight. Alright, t-shirt. So this is a new shirt. It's a normal Crenshaw shirt, but it's a 3M version. So yeah, definitely keen to see how this is gonna be. Oh damn, this feels a bit different to the previous shirt that I had. This is a large. Might be a bit too big low key. But all good. I'll take a photo of the 3M and post it in the video hopefully. See like if it flashes and all that. Oh damn, that's pretty big, eh? Oh no, that's pretty cool though. That's a large. That fits over my shirt. So I got a yellow hoodie. I've seen like LeBron wear this. Pretty nice color, right? It's like a mustardy yellow. Not sure how it'll turn out in the video. But let's see how it fits. Oh yeah, this fits more snug. It's a bit more loose. I don't like when hoodies are a bit too tight. But because I'm a bit shorter, the arm length, that wingspan, it's still a bit kind of like longer compared to the medium hoodie that I have. Yeah, but this all in all is pretty nice. I'm liking this. If you want oversized, definitely go like a size up. Because the medium one, it fits kind of snug, but it's still good too. I pretty much got this for like a display. I don't skate, so this is really cool. So this is the board. Crenshaw. Looking nice. Oh, it's this way. Look at that. It's a yellow one. I tried to get a red and white, or like the blue and white, but I'm pretty sure there was, oh no, blue and white was sold out. Looked pretty nice. And the other side's like this. Yeah, probably just hang it up somewhere. Pretty cool, like, you know, on top somewhere like this. Yeah, those are the 4 items I got. Just comment if you want to ask a question or anything. Yeah, so the hoodies were large, the t-shirts were large, and Okay, so this is the shirt. The collar looks real nice. I like this compared to like the traditional normal collars. I think the price was a bit more expensive than the usual, like the normal one. There's also a highlighter like neon green version of this, but I'm a big fan of this shirt right here. And if you stayed the whole video, or like if you just watched this, appreciate it. Yeah, any questions about any of the items, let me know. I've had experience with the shirts, the hoodies, socks, and the hats. Socks are like one size. Yeah, so with that, I think anybody can kind of use it. Just try if you want. Yeah, I'm a big fan of the shirt. The one with the 3M Crenshaw logo. But yeah, peace out. Thank you.